Hello friends, my name is Vamsi. I would like to explain you about the VLOOKUP process. So here is the data which I obtained from my friend and relatives. So suppose if we have a data here, like we have the data of name of the customer or name of the person, like and their gender and their size of the T-shirt, example. Okay, let's I can delete. We can also find the delivery address and pin code and contact number. So if I want to extract the data from set of data, like if I only have the contact number, so from that contact number I want to extract data from data of these other specifications like name, type, size, pin code. So this is the data. We have option in Excel to find out this data to match up in the form of VLOOKUP. So here is the example and the formula. So first we have to keep the equal to. Next, by default, Excel will have an sorted formulas by default formulas. I think you can see when I clicked on V, you can find the instant options and formulas in the Excel by default. So from these we are using VLOOKUP as a formula here. So when I clicked on VLOOKUP, Excel instantly saying that what is the data to be added to extract the data. So here is the data. So we have to select the range of the data, and accordingly we can extract the data from it. So example, I want to VLOOKUP this particular cell of mobile number and want to extract the data of columns A to F. Example, I have clicked here, and using that mobile number I have to take the data of name. So for every data we have to have a matching case beside to it. So here it is not there. I'll add the mobile number at the front. So I'll sort this data to randomly. So here is the data. I'm sorting it to high to large so that data will be sorted up and down. So coming
Okay.
to this data, I'm
Mm.
pasting it here.
Okay.
So I want to match the cases to this data.
Okay.
So accordingly, I'm copying the main data cell of
Mm-hmm.
each column to column D, and I
Column
don't
D.
need the delivery address and sizes. So
Okay.
accordingly, for the pin code, I'm matching to that.
Okay.
So this is the
For
main
all
data
these
which I
fields,
have.
you are doing VLOOKUP, right?
Yes, yes. So matching to
Okay.
the mobile number, I'm processing the VLOOKUP formula to
Mm-hmm.
each field or the type which I want to
Oh,
extract. So this is the main
okay.
data. I'm highlighting the color with different color. You can find the differences between.
By
So
this, we can also take the amount, right?
sure, anything, any column which you want to match the case, you can
Okay.
match to the source data which you have. Suppose this is
Okay.
the pin code, I want to extract the mobile number. So you can find the
Mm-hmm.
differences in the mobile number in the column 2. So this is the not number in the column 2. So when I search here, you can find the mobile number is in column 6, row 6. So I want to match this data here in the
Mm-hmm.
column 2 with a formula.
Okay. Mm.
So we are writing a formula here. VLOOKUP, I have already said you, like VLOOKUP is instant backend formula which already Excel has. So the only thing we have to keep is we have to choose the columns to which we want to match. So I'm matching this
Okay.
mobile number in the column I. So accordingly I want to fetch the name. So I'm selecting the column A and B. We can also select from column A1 to the data
Okay.
which we want to select, like A1 to B31. So we can also
Okay. If
select
we
in this
just
way.
take, okay, just by taking mobile numbers, we can fetch the names and data of the customer, right?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
this is the contact number data which you have. Like this
Mm-hmm.
is the data which was given by some other person. So they are asking us to match the cases of different fields like mobile number or name or pin code, etc. So I am
Okay.
matching today. So anyway we are doing right. So
Mm,
I am matching to the whole columns A and B.
mm,
Accordingly keeping the two. Here we have to keep two as a formula base because VLOOKUP has two fields like one and two. Two is nothing but the matching case which it should
mhm.
found. And one, if we keep one, it will match only the case which are similar to this mobile number. So there is a difference. So according to
Okay.
this formula, we have to keep two, as it already is saying as example here. So we have to keep the two, and next is a false. False is
Okay.
nothing but if two column is doesn't match, so it will be
Mm,
printing as false or ash. I'll show this
okay.
example once again. So when I click here, so I'll drag the formula to it.
Mm,
So accordingly it matched the data. So this is the main data. It was fetched from different columns in the main data. So
mm.
if you can see, it is in the column 2. So it directly matched with the VLOOKUP formula and got the data like which is in the column 6.
Mhm.
when this data is not available,
Okay.
so suppose here if we have a blank here, so
Mm,
it is not printing anything. That means in this case there is no formula. So if we keep one, let's check what is it. So it matched like only mobile number is has been matched. So if you can
If
see,
mobile number is there,
yeah,
then only the name will come out,
yes,
right?
yes.
If
First
it is
suppose,
not there, it will come as error.
yes. So it's
Okay.
currently when we put one here, so it directly
Mm,
matched the mobile number here and printed the mobile number. Like
mhm.
VLOOKUP is saying in the column I, so in the column A there is a mobile number of same kind. So
Okay.
if we keep a 2, then it
Mm,
will match to the beside column which is data available there. So accordingly if I remove here, so data is not available here. If I print anything here,
mm,
so it will copy paste the printing data here. Accordingly we can fetch different columns. So
mm,
when I stretch the formula to the different columns, it can
mm,
differently, so it will stretch the formula as it is. So when we check here, we are matching with A and B here, and in this column we are matching with B and C. So ideally we have to match with the mobile number and the given data. So accordingly I am matching with C and D instead of B and C. Instead of, I am going with the C and D. So it is giving an error because the data which you are VLOOKUPing is this one J2.
yeah.
So we have to keep accordingly the main data which you want to fetch. So it matched the case and printed as female. Okay. Accordingly we can
Mm.
keep here data matching to the main data which you are VLOOKUPing and the D and EF column. So when we drag the formula, it will directly
Mm,
interact with the beside main data source which we have kept.
mm,
So this is all about the VLOOKUP services. So we can also keep what is this identifier as name. We can also name the labels
mm.
and gender and the pin code.
Gender wise also we can take
Mm.
VLOOKUP, right?
Yes. Anything we can take. So we have took the
And
source as contact number. Likewise, if we
okay.
have the pin code as source,
Mm,
then we can also print copy paste the pin code as source. Then we will be getting the pin code data.
okay.
Suppose if I could kept here pin code data as reference,
Mhm.
so it will match to the pin code and print the data which is available here. So accordingly, if I am keeping the pin code in the name column, so it will
Mm,
match the pin code data
mm.
and match to the name data accordingly in the male or gender female. So likewise, it will come according to our data. So the main concept here is the data which we are looking up as the contact number or anything. So this is the main data. So accordingly, the source data should also contain another column with same data which is matching towards to that particular data.
Okay.
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 Do you have any doubts?
Uh, the section should be contain 15 minutes, right?
Yes, yes.
Is it completed 15 minutes?
I'm checking it. I think we have completed the schedule time. We can skip the concept here. Okay.
Okay, you can also explain in Telugu, no problem.
Sure, sure.
Regional languages are accepted.
Where it is? The recording time? I did not find.
I think recording time is not there. It is not visual.
Okay, okay then. I'll stop the
Okay, no
meeting now.
problem. You can explain again in Telugu.
అసలు ఇది రికార్డ్
We are
అవుతుంది
ready.
లేదా ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది?
ఏది రికార్డ్ అయితే
అవుతుంది.
రిక్ రికార్డ్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత నువ్వు ఎండ్ మీటింగ్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది నీ ఫైల్స్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది అనమాట.
సరే, నేను ఒకసారి ఎండ్ మీటింగ్ కొడుతున్నా చూద్దాం.
15 మినిట్స్ అయిందా బ్రో?
అయింది అనుకుంటున్నా. కాలేదా?
ఆగు, ఇంకో 3 మినిట్స్ ఉండు, తర్వాత చూద్దాం. 3 to 10 మినిట్స్ ఏదో
సరే సరే,
ఒకటి.
మళ్ళీ
అంటే
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా?
వీలుకప్స్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి వీలుకప్స్ గురించే చెప్పు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కదా.
కనబడుతుంది, ఎట్లేం లేదు. పాజ్ నొక్కలే, నేను స్టాప్ నొక్కలే.
ఓకే ఓకే. మిస్టర్ తరుణ్ బాపట్ల, కెన్ యూ హియర్ అస్?
Yeah.
మిస్టర్ పార్థసారథి బొప్పాల, కెన్ యూ హియర్ అస్? ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ లైన్, ఐ థింక్. Okay, bro, you can explain some other activities in VLOOKUP. Mr. Vamsi.
Okay, Shravan. So these are the concepts related to VLOOKUP. So there are different fields in the VLOOKUP. Like there are two types of VLOOKUPs. I have already said you with the one formula and two formula. There is also one feature like instead of false we can also keep zero. So
Okay.
zero is nothing but the false statement. So when I keep zero, the formula is reflected correctly and it is affecting correctly.
Okay.
So accordingly, if
screen
we
is
keep
not okay. Your
is my
screen is
screen
not visible.
okay, I
Is
am
not
sharing this.
visible. Okay.
Is it visible now?
Yes. Now it is visible. Thank you for sharing.
Okay. So nothing I did earlier. We used to have false statement here. So
Okay.
I have renamed it to zero. So zero is nothing but the false statement according to the mathematics. So I kept
Okay.
zero. This is another feature which we include in the VLOOKUP section. Let's see what will happen if we keep one here.
Okay.
So one is also matching the same. So it will match the same different formulas. Like if you can see the differences here, the name is been printing twice here. Why? Because it is matching the single digit here. When we keep one, it will search like example if we search the name here. So it is taking the data from column 15. So the same data is being printing here because when we keep one here, it will not match correctly. It will only match a single cell from there. It will copy paste the same data up to end. So according to the formula, we should keep either zero or false. Okay. Likewise, if you want to fetch anything else, do you want me add anything else according to your convenience to understand them clearly? If you want to add any other data, you can also suggest me.
Okay. I have some doubts regarding
Yes,
Excel
yes,
sheet.
yes, yes. Ask me.
Can I ask?
Yes, ask me, Shravan.
Okay, how it is useful in industries?
Not in the industry. So coming to data analyst, a data analyst
Uh,
should have
okay.
an idea to
Mm,
capture the data from different
okay.
subdivisions.
Coming to
So
the
yeah,
importance. Coming to the importance. How
importance is
the
nothing
Excel
but
learners. Yeah.
coming to its importance. It's
Mm,
the main data which we have. Suppose
mm,
likewise, if it is pin code, so I want to
mm,
find out the data
mm,
from this pin code, how many customer base is available in my
mm,
sorted data or
mm,
available data. So instead of
mm,
checking one on one manually,
mm,
so with a single
mm,
formula I can fetch required data in different
mm.
columns. Suppose if we look
Okay.
up it doesn't exist, then what I have
Mm,
to do, I will have to check manually single case, copy
mm,
pasting, and
mm,
we have to find the sort main data, and accordingly I have to
mm.
write manually beside
It
it.
is time taking process, right?
It's a time taking process. So Excel formula
Yeah.
will resolve our time taking process and saves our time.
Yeah. Save
So
our time.
this
Yeah.
is the main concept in the
With
Excel
single
sheet.
formula, we can fetch
With
all
single
the
formula,
data,
yeah,
whatever the data we have. With single
yes,
formula, we can fetch all the data of the customers or whatever
yes,
it may be.
yes.
Oh,
So by this
okay.
way, we can not only this data, we can also sort many lakhs of columns of data, which helps
Okay.
our time to reduce. So this is the
Oh,
main concept.
it will take data up to infinity, or it will
So
take
it is
only some
infinity.
limited
No, no, there is no
infinity.
limit. So formula
Okay.
doesn't have any limit. So we can copy
Okay.
paste any number of times.
Just we have to add cells for it,
Mm,
right?
yes, yes,
We have to go on adding the cells for down when it is ended.
yes.
Okay. Just by with the
Mm,
formula, we can fetch the
yeah,
data.
yes.
Okay. Nice
Suppose
explanation,
if we
Mr.
want
Vamsi.
to, okay,
Mm,
thank you, Mr. Ram. So if there is
mm,
any error, like if we
mm.
don't have the correct data here,
Okay.
then it will fetch to the data, particular data.
Mm.
So it has given the wrong data here. Okay,
Okay.
so we have to match
Okay.
columns and A and B to the same
Mm.
extent. Then only our VLOOKUP formula will be exported
Mm.
in correct way.
Mm. Is the participant list is recording in the sheet?
I did not get your question.
Zoom. In the Zoom, participant list is recording there.
Yes, it is recording.
Yeah. If it is not recording, please record it.
No, it is recording.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Vamsi.
Okay, Sean, nice talking to you.
Okay.
Let's end up the meeting
Okay.
now.
Okay. Okay. You can end it now. It's already 15 minutes up. We can understand the VLOOKUPs
Okay.
very nicely. We have learned a lot from you.